Alright guys, here we are, part B. So in this case, we need to show that the x coordinate of Q at this point here is the solution given by this. Okay, so in this case, we're not actually trying to find x, we're trying to present some kind of equation in terms of x. Because actually looking at this right now, you can't actually, it's quite difficult to solve without iteration methods. So what do we have here? So what do we know about Q? So we know that the curve and the line intersect both at points P and Q. So because they intersect, we know that the line equation can be simultaneously solved with the curve. So how about we substitute the curve into this equation here, yeah? So that'll be the first step. So that means, let's just start from here. We can say therefore 2x plus 5 multiplied by all of this would equal 11. So let's just simplify that all out. So we get 2x plus, now multiplying this by 5, what do we get? We're going to get 10 log bracket 2x plus 5 minus 15x over 2, and all of this equals the right hand side, which is 11. Now, just trying to match everything up, I think what the best way to do is to keep all the x terms on the left and the log x terms on the right. Okay, and then move, and then partition x. So let's collect the x terms. So we got 2x take away 15x over 2 will give us a negative 11x over 2. And subtracting 10 log x across, we're going to have 11 minus 10 log 2x plus 5. And just flipping the signs over actually, because we want this to be positive, don't we? So actually, no, first let's multiply by 2 and then divide by negative 11. So multiplying by 2 and dividing by 11, we're going to get x equals 22 minus 20 log bracket 2x plus 5. And then dividing by negative 11, we're going to have minus 11 here, minus 11. Therefore, x, just tidying this up, you can see that this becomes minus 2 and this becomes plus 20 over 11, just like we have here. So yeah, and therefore, just so now we're going to get exactly 20 over 11 log 2x plus 5, all subtracted by 2. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much what you have to do. And so so if you have any other questions, let me know. Otherwise, we're going to move on now. So see you in part C.